Today we're at Sarah Farms and Drilling. This is owned by Joe Serra and his 5 sons. They have quite a diverse, predominantly bananas and avocados on this particular farm. They have 3 other farms which are predominantly avocado. With regards to this operation here, with the bananas predominantly, because it's seasonal, they pick and pack the bananas, they wash them, and they distribute it to large wholesalers, typically Woolworths and Coles in the Sun States, especially Victoria. And that's got to be housed in cold rooms, which require a lot of energy. They're wash bays and drying and then packing. So the system designed here was a 100 kilowatt solar system made up of 335 watt panels, fully optimised, and it was something that we designed and chose for the customer, which they obviously since gone with. And we've utilised that with the packing shed as well, and their other ground mounts, which is 40 kilowatts on each other sites that they got. All up on the Sarah farm here, there's 300 kilowatts getting installed. We're right in the midst of it now. We've done 80 kilowatts in the main packing shed, which covers the cold rooms, all their pumps, everything from lighting and cold rooms. And then also down here, the irrigation pumps. There's 100 kilowatts here as we speak, and they've got 2 other sites and 2 other farms for avocados, which are 40 kilowatts each. So all up 300 kilowatts. But I think all up between them, they're looking at potentially saving around about $90,000 to $105,000 in electricity amongst their 3 sites. On this particular farm, I think it's around about 400 plus acres of land here. This is all volcanic with basalt underground, so it was a bit of a challenge to get soil tests to make sure that we could ground mount. They wanted a non-invasive ground mount system with it, so that requires a Surefoot design from Victoria. It's an Australian invention where there's no concrete required, and we had to make sure that we didn't hit any big boulders, because the Atherton Tablelands is actually littered with a lot of round, large basalt boulders.